So, I'm going to show you a Zapier hack that is completely changing the way I build automations. You're going to want to watch this because this has been saving me hours when it comes to building Zaps and performing other things on my laptop. This is, without a doubt, the future of tutorials, and this is going to blow your mind. All right, so what we want to do is we actually want to come over to our ChatGPT desktop app. If you don't have it already, make sure to get it for desktop. So what you want to do is you're going to want to come down here and click this right here. This is the ChatGPT advanced voice mode. We're actually going to use this, and this is going to walk us through step by step how to set up a Zap. And I'm just going to show it to you because it's absolutely amazing. Hey, what's going on? Could you help me set something up in Zapier?
Hey, sure. I'd be happy to help you with Zapier. What are you looking to set up?
Yeah, so I want to create a Zap where whenever I post a YouTube video, it automatically gets sent to my Slack channel to kind of update my colleagues that a video has been posted. Could you help me do that?
Absolutely, I can help with that. Here's how you can set up a Zap to post your YouTube videos to a Slack channel. 1. Trigger setup. In Zapier, create a new Zap. Choose YouTube as the trigger app. For the trigger event, select New Video Uploaded by Channel. Connect your YouTube account.
Wait, one second. So what's the trigger event? I'm inside of the Zap now and I clicked my app as YouTube.
No problem. The trigger event you'll want to select is New Video Uploaded by Channel. This will trigger the Zap whenever you upload a new video to your YouTube channel.
Got it, thank you. So what do I do from here? I'm inside of the configure inside of that first trigger event. What do I do now?
Great. Here's what to do next. First, choose Account. Click on Choose an Account and connect your YouTube account if you haven't already.
Done.
Awesome. Let's move on to setting up the action. Setup Trigger. In the Setup Trigger section, choose your YouTube channel from the drop-down menu. This tells Zapier which channel to monitor for new videos.
So I actually don't see a drop-down menu. Where do I get my channel information from so I could actually input that here?
If you don't see your channel in automatic drop-down, you might need to manually input your channel information. Here's how. In the Setup Trigger section, you'll see a field where you can enter your YouTube channel ID or username. To find your channel ID, go to your YouTube channel's homepage. The URL will look something like this: https://www.youtube.com.
I'm actually not seeing that. It just shows my name as the username, like @BrockMesserich. So where else could I find my channel ID?
No worries. If you're seeing your username like @BrockMesserich, you can use that as well. However,
okay, I'll just do that. Let me see if that works first.
Sounds good. Using your YouTube username should work for setting up the trigger.
Should I include the @ in front of my full username?
Yes, include the @ symbol with your username, so it should be @BrockMesserich. This should help Zapier identify your YouTube channel.
Got it. So I just went ahead and I tried to test that out, and it looks like it's unable to pull channel videos. So maybe I need to use a channel ID and not the username?
Got it. If the username isn't working, let's try using the channel ID. Here's how to find it. Go to your YouTube channel's homepage. 2. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Your Channel. In the URL, you'll see something like https://
whatsoever. In this video, I'm going to attempt to... So don't use... I can't use a URL because it only has my username. Could you give me another way to check my channel ID?
Sure. Let's try another method to find your channel ID. 1. Go to the YouTube homepage and click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. 3. On the left sidebar, click on Advanced Settings. Here, you should see your user ID and channel ID listed. The channel ID is what you'll need for Zapier.
Got it. Thank you. I'm inputting that into Zapier now. Let me test it, and then I'll let you know.
Perfect. Give it a test, and let me know how it goes.
Awesome.
If you run into any issues,
I'm
here to help.
It looks like that worked. So it's pulling up some videos that I've posted. So what do I do from here?
Great. Now that the trigger is set up, let's configure the action to send a message to your Slack channel. 1. Set up action. Click on the plus icon to add an action. Choose Slack as the action app. For the action event, select Send Channel Message. Connect Slack to Zapier and follow the prompts to authorize access. 3. Set up action. Choose the Slack channel where you want the message to be posted.
Here, give me 1 second. I'm trying to connect my Slack channel.
Sure, take your time. Let me know when you're ready and we'll continue with the setup.
All right, so it looks like I'm in the configure tab. I need to choose which channel I want this added to. Is that correct?
Exactly. In the configure action tab, you'll choose which Slack channel you want the message to be sent to. Select the appropriate channel from the drop-down menu. After that, you can customize the message text.
Got it. What do I put in the message text? So that's essentially what the text is actually going to say. How can I include the URL to the YouTube video in that message?
In the message text, you can write something like, "New video alert, check it out here." You can use any key value you want, meaning link in the description or video URL, to include a variable or expression provided by the YouTube trigger. Use the variable provided by Zapier for the video link. In the message text, type your message and then click on the plus icon on the right side of the text box. This will allow you to insert data from the YouTube trigger. Look for the option that corresponds to the video URL, which is everything clear so far?
Yep.
If you need further...
So I added the video URL. Can I just go ahead and click continue and then test it?
Yes, go ahead and click continue. After that, you can test the action to make sure everything is working correctly. Zapier will send a test message to your chosen Slack channel, simulating the posting of a new YouTube video. If everything looks good, you can turn on your Zap.
Good to know, thank you. Let me test this out and I'll get back to you if it doesn't work.
Sounds like a plan. Give it a try, and if you run into any issues or have more questions, just let me know. Good luck.
All right, that actually looked like it worked. Thank you.
Fantastic. I'm glad to hear it worked. If you need any more help with Zapier or anything else, just give me a shout.
Appreciate it. Thank you. All right, guys. So as you can see, ChatGPT Advanced Voice Mode walked me through how to set up that Zap. So this is really cool. It doesn't have the ability yet to access what I see on the screen, but if I walk it through and ask questions, say, hey, how do I set this up? It'll walk through step by step and actually tell you how to do that. This was a pretty basic Zap to set up. I can actually click publish and this thing will be live and will be running, good to go. But you could do this for more advanced Zapier workflows. So instead of having to research on YouTube or spend hours figuring out how to build these yourself, just use ChatGPT Desktop's app and the advanced voice mode, set it to the side, and then ask it to walk you through step by step. And believe me, guys, this is very, very useful. I use a bunch of different Zaps every single day, and this tool has changed everything. It makes it so simple to set up, even complex automations. So if you guys got some value from this, make sure to leave a like, leave a comment about what you thought about this. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and sign up with Zapier to automate your life. See you guys in the next video.